What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know the thing, man. The attacking boss there in a NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. And I mean say attack. Some viewers and subscribers. You know say boy me I tell you. You see some wicked sin thing, some wicked dirty sin thing where you call NEWLINK, you can't call them man, you know, because I don't know where them get them art from up on a real level, you know, my viewers and subscribers. But there are some sin thing out there wicked than a Jamaica, you know. Cruel, heartless, you know, my people. Alright, more you just take a look on them picture, you know, my viewers and subscribers. See? And basically, you can see one man, him look big and thick, you know. You know what I mean? Thick. Yeah, man, big and thick. And, you know what I mean? Muscle up on them, something like when you look on the picture of the female. Like I say, basically, she's skinny, my people. See? But to tell you the truth, my people, basically, the two of them dead together. Two of them in a relationship. You understand? Have youth together. Live together, my people. But right now, one is in custody, charged to murder, my people. And one, they on ice. You understand? Because a couple of weeks ago, you know, down there in a Westmoreland, Jamaica, my people, the two of them, basically, them have some, you know what I mean, disagreement, my people, because them say she comes a boom and she attend a party, you know what I mean. Him never want she attend the party, my people, but she attend the party, and my viewers and my subscribers, the piece of sin thing, the wicked sin thing, I know, my people, who is 41 years old, take one hammer, zine, and boy, my people, a bounty virus, howdy, yo, my people, him take the hammer, beat the woman in the head in her back. You understand? She drop on the ground unconscious. When you see thing do that now, my people, him run off and go make a report to the police them. The police them hold him down at the station, you know. Go up at the yard. When they go up at the yard, my people, in the bedroom, them find the lady on the ground, my people, unresponsive with a pool of blood around her. Then comes a boom now, rush her to the hospital, and from the hospital, my people, them pronounce her dead. Gone. Zine? And we tell you the truth, my viewers and subscribers. What kind of art this a piece of sin thing have? On a real level. Do you believe that this a sin thing of my people? If it comes so boom, you understand? And go basically and have taxpayer money. Oh, it's so wicked and cruel because in the end of my people, Zine, them come so boom and them do a postmortem on her body. And when the postmortem return, it shows say, yo, she died from blunt trauma, my people. So the iron, the hammer, with this same thing I use, hammer the female, my people, hammer the woman, my people, it managed to take out her 3 points. And the two of them, my people, was living together, my people. I'm common law wife, living, but she attend a party where him claims that she not for go, my people. You understand? And she managed to go to it, my people. That's how the argument start, and boy, from this, my people, is a hammer him use. Him could have draw for nothing else in my people. Him not think about slap or that, you know, which him not put on no honor nothing upon the female and I'm pitney. Even if it's I'm pitney, him not a right to beat nobody. But the same thing take a hammer. And for sure said this same thing and no heart, my people, no mercy of hammer the woman. Zine, gone. I want to make answer my viewers and subscribers, and I hope and I pray say it will never see the face back out the road again. Prison for the rest of the time being, because Jamaica, we not no penalty, you know. We don't use the chair, we don't use the ejection, yeah, we don't use the rope, my people. So me hope say it will never see back the face of daylight out the road again. Yeah, man, they can't see daylight out of cell door when them let them out of the cell, but nothing come back out of no freedom. It too wicked and cruel, a straight attack. Attack for your same thing, 41-year-old. Yeah, big old dirty thinking, man. If you have sense where you can't think or use a brain cell them. See, the woman attend the party, what go on at the party? Me understand you want rule, you want control, you want rule the human life. Yes, me know say respect is due. See, but she managed to go to the party. And this is how you retaliate. Even if she tell us something will hurt you. It's a hammer where you can't think of a fine because you plan it already. Say the hammer you go use. You go turn bounty upon the woman and use the hammer upon her. And this is what you did. You wicked piece of thinking, same thing. The man is a carpenter, my people. He's a carpenter. The man having trade, having profession, and my people. And then look at what this man. And a them a meditation in a same thing head. Where manage to use the hammer and do this to the woman. Oh my pearl, oh my precious NEWLINK. And manage to take away himself so quick. Because the community don't do it at me and my people in a Westmoreland. Me I tell my viewers and subscribers. Me know say maybe if they did bullet my people. If they did bullet. You understand? If they did hold it, oh my pearl, oh my peaches, Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Maybe the same thing over there today. See, but he managed to take away itself quick. Find himself in the station and tell the police them when my people. And see there, what a wicked sin thing, man. When me look on the woman picture them, all of the picture them me see my people, a slim woman, you understand, she nah no weight, she nah no fat pan the body. If you take that the hammer lick there, just to tell you, wonder what kind of hammer I use with people, and if it's a sledgehammer hammer, what kind of hammer I use. And he hammer the woman more than one, more than one, and give the woman out of the hammer, my people, and him lift up that the hand there and swing it. One in the head, in the back, everywhere. The woman drop my people unconscious, she can't talk. She nah no sense, everything gone, and she never wake up back from the first blow where it give my people. But now, recently, my people, on Friday, the postmortem result come back. You understand, after them do the autopsy and thing, my people, and it shows say that's what happened to her, my viewers and subscribers. So from a couple of weeks ago, him strike, him do it. He remain in police custody, but now them fully charge him, my people, and then put on the MURDER, the panic, my people. Fully charge. You understand? This wicked piece of sin thing. But Jana sleep. Jana sleep, man. So all you in there, you feel so you can yam daily, and you can heat and poop. You understand, in a cell there, and feels like you get over. You know, man. Auntie not go take care of the boy. Me I tell you, you are the next one we are going to lick out and start ball say to aunt you. You understand? Because you're too cruel and wicked. And if you tell you have your youth, you could think about your little one. Why you so wicked? Your daughter, You could think and put in your head to think about your little one, but you know, pray that you are pray at the time so the woman attend party. Your jealousy develop in your brain cell. You understand your madness cap struck. And that's why I say people, a lot of people you see out there, not show them look. Not show them look, because looking at the same thing, my people, you know what I mean? You can't see the wickedness in it, but if you look on him certain way, you're going to say, no, say, I'm not going to do this, you know what I mean? But look on the same thing, look deep, just look deep on the picture and look on the same thing. You can't see the wickedness print out tonight. Maybe the wickedness the way they round the corner, there's some people, they're too far from it, you understand? But the wicked in it, but he's still a carpenter, my people, and have him trade, have him profession, and see they strike with the hammer. Knock out the poor woman. What a attack on this a sin thing ya. This a dirty sin thing ya. And them, when I say some woman comes and say them afraid of man, my people, all because of sin thing like this. All because of sin thing like this. But Charles, me tell my people, him not sleep. Never will, him not sleep. My people, big up on yourself and more love, more blessings and more respect. And thank you all for the love, for the support, for the like and for the share and for every comment, my people. You don't know, say one team, one scheme, one dream, one attacking boss, people. And remember, my people, subscribe. And ladies, you know, careful of the piece of wicked sin thing them. If you know, so they make one move for strike, my people, ladies, you make your move and never return. You understand? As you see them lift it and off, make one move for strike, you make your move and never return. Remember the attacking boss telling that. Peace out, my people. Love you all and stay blessed. Attack for that dirty piece of thinking, same thing there. Look when do you man with the poor hammer. Jaja sees, Jaja knows.